and we want to do a welcome song. We have the indigenous peoples of this community. We belong to the Mapushi tribe, so they will be singing a Mapushi welcome song. Feel comfortable where you are?
Yeah, very.
You know all of the culture group.
Oh, jeez.
This one right there. Yeah. But the rest is just like part of the roots and everything. There's one at the front where they were separate. Just cutting up next to the pastor.
To hunt, what we usually do is just cut off the nose of the dog with a special grass. We cut it. We cut it, and then we take the snail when it's open. Everything is open, and it has like a slimy part on the snail under. So we rub it on the dog only 3 times, and eventually the dog is going to be like, it cannot be active. It's going to be like lazy and crying, and for about 3 months, and then eventually this dog is going to turn the best hunter.
And to be the best hunter.
Yeah, and for one purpose, to be the hunter for the bush deer.
Bush deer.
Not other animals, only for the bush.
So,
You're they belong to the leaf nose family, but I don't know
Oh, there's one right
shade
there.
the leaf nose.
keep your light on.
Because right at the end there, there's an ancient pot. Jackson is going to give you a little story about the pot.
You can hit one time.
What's that?
You get in.
Oh, not yet. I'm trying to change the battery on this other thing.
I got one. Yeah, I got lucky. Anybody use some water? Some small bottles here. Yeah.
Okay.
Watch out, you must be wasting these guys.
I know, I'm just taking random.
This is an ancient pot. There were some tribal wars years ago. The Makushis and the Caribs. And usually when the Caribs come, they kill a lot of our Makushi people here. So in that case, what they do is now when they kill, they bring them to a point like this where we are now and eat them and do all sorts of things. So they have been doing this for a period of time. They will be killing the males and not the females, and will be taking away the females for their wives, the Makushi females. Therefore, they did it in this particular area here. They were going before all over the other different locations. For instance, they did it to the Wapishanas. Wapishana is another tribe, an Amerindian tribe in Guyana. There are 9 Amerindian tribes in Guyana. So that they were here, and they did it. And what they usually do is that in this pot, they cook them. They cook them inside, right? They cook them, and also they do the usual things, eat them and leave their bones, and they have been continuing living, moving from settlements to settlements. Mm-hmm. So while moving, they leave the pot and the spoon and whatever different potteries they have then. They leave it in settlement like this. Especially like caves, they go in there and then they are not civilized.
Mm-hmm.
So they have done that here, and they have moved to another different location there again. If you have to go there, you would see a big rock there. There they were. So that is the history of this spot here. Any questions?
No.
How long ago did that take place? How long ago was the last time that happened? No.
This was before our grandfathers came in. It happened.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like over
100 years,
Yeah.
and since from that time, we became civilized.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is the story about the pot here.
Thank
If
you.
you want to come and see it, you can come here, shine with the torch, and inspect what is there. There used to be another pot here, but it's moved away.
Somebody-
Some researchers came in and they took one. But automatically again now these pots belong to the bush persons, the bush people. We call them those small guys
Yeah.
with a red face. They are very strong. If you have to see them, you're going to have diarrhea. Even though if they have to touch you, you're going to die. So this belongs automatically to them. They're responsible for that. So what we usually do, we don't disturb things like this. We don't disturb it. If you are to disturb it, right away they are going to follow you. They are small guys. Everybody cannot see it at one, but something by mistake you can see it. It's a small guy. One time I saw it and I got very sick, like having fever, diarrhea. That is a result of it. Yeah. So if I have to take this with me, I'm going to be dead. Eventually I'm going to be dead.
And
Yeah.
is that, are they called the bush dye?
No,
That's a different thing.
That's a different one.
Okay.
We call them in Makushi Ptamna.
Tom.
Ptamna. Ptamna is a tribe too. It's uncivilized. They eat people also. But they're very, very, very strong. If they can touch you, you're dead.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So this belongs here, and we respect it then.
Do you have any protections when you go in the forest? You never go alone?
If I have to go alone into the forest, we usually rub anato, the foot. rub it on your face, and you know you would be respected also.
Right.
They would respect you then,
Oh,
right?
okay.
Because you have
Because the red face.
Yeah, the red face.
Oh,
too.
red face, yes.
So, but without red face, you go there, you're going to see one,
Yeah.
and then eventually you will going to cause this kind of confidence. Yeah.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you.
Here are the batteries on you.
Oh, no.
So if you want to stand up there, and just wait, you'll try and come up again the same spot. You see it? This big guy now. There's the crab here. There's crab there. Oh, but you see that? So you see the crest?
He's going to fly.
Oh, there it is. See this tree? Come over here to the left of it.
Trees grow like the side, really weird. Well, it's look like exactly. It's like have a curve in it.
Here, that is the sound.
Start with the arm. Let us move them up. Try this one.
Oh, sticking his tongue out. Look. Why?